Greetings, Earthlings, and welcome to Alien Destination Black Light Walkthrough. Right behind me. Imagination all up. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a UFO flying right there. Flying around. See it? Nice. It's right there. Looked like there was glass, but there's no glass. Says follow the footprints. I don't see no footprints, but of course. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. This is really cool. I wonder. Yeah, this is awesome. I mean, this is better than the old one, actually. Like it. Well, it's getting lower and lower and lower. And I didn't see that alien before. There's an alien right there. Alien skull. Awesome. I really like this part. We follow the footprints. Going back this way. Going back. See the footprints. Beware of the Martians. Ooh, look at that. All the plants and everything glow. It's awesome. Awesome, awesome. Most definitely something a whole lot different. Oh, look, alien eyes. They're everywhere. Oh, look, found it. The Yeti. What we got here hiding? An alien. If there's anything over here hiding in the bushes. Oh, nice alien skull. Huh. Can't really see him. There's an alien right there. Oh, I am being abducted. Take me to your leader. Hi. Oh, oh no, they disappeared. Oh yeah. I'm on the table now. They're looking at me. Why? What? Oh, that's a TV in the background. Okay. So it must be a video behind it. That's what happens. Oh, the grays. Alright, cool. Cool. Alien skeletons. Talk about. They've been here for a while. Nice. Alien spider. Sweet. Another TV. What did he say? Nice, we made it this time, Earthlings. What I like is